Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to start chapter number 5 poem, The Final Word. Okay, so because of the name you will not understand what is the matter, what is the meaning of the poem, or what is the theme or central idea of the poem. Okay, Final Word. See, this is a story, a short feeling of a boy who is in very stress. Okay, his intention because his friends are not friendly with him. Okay, they are not playing with him, they are teasing, they are fighting, they are beating. Okay, आप लोग भी लड़ते हो ना आपस में? कैसे लड़ते हो क्लास में, है ना? ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है ना? जो अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके साथ रहते हैं, जो बुरे हैं उनको मारते हैं, उनको नीचा दिखाते हैं कि हम बेटर है, इससे हम बेटर है ना? तो ऐसे ही ये बच्चा जो है, यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर दैट बॉय इज़ वेरी मच in stress because all are laughing at him, teasing. They are, see how they are doing actions and teasing and all. They are laughing. These girls are laughing on him. Okay, so he is telling he is in very much stress. In that stress, he has his feelings are mentioned in this poem. Okay, so you know there are 4 aliens. Okay, they are talking about the that boy. Let us see what they are telling. Affidavit, being in an unfriendly environment is very stressful for me. Being, what he is telling, अगर environment हमारा आजू बाजू का अगर ये environment unfriendly मतलब friendly नहीं होगा, close नहीं होगा, तो it is very stressful for us. हम लोग को बहुत tension आएगा और हम लोग stress में रहेंगे. I know it is a strain on everybody and one needs to have a sympathetic friend who can help. So what is telling, one friend should be there who always help us. Yesterday told, yes, I am glad most of us have at least one person who is always there for us, like the little boy in the poem. So what is telling that one person should be there back of us, and like the little boy in the poem. How the little boy shown in the poem like that. If our condition is like this, one person should be there to save us. Okay, so what is telling, flowing like water and crashing against the shores of his mind, they hit him again and again. Those memories thrashed him like invisible hands, but boys were not supposed to cry. So he drank in the fear that caused his cheeks and buried his face in his hands. He remembered her face everywhere, serene, divine in its simplicity, telling him everything was all right. No one could hurt him now. So what is telling that? Like water, you have seen the water on the beaches, how in the beaches how water comes. Okay, big waves comes towards the bank of the sea. Okay, किनारे पर बड़ी बड़ी लहरें आती हैं, बार बार टकराती हैं और बार बार. Seashore, you have seen, you might have seen, those who have seen the seashore. Okay, समंदर के किनारे जिसने देखा होगा बड़ी बड़ी लाट जो है वो वेव्स आते हैं और टकराते हैं. ओके, सो लाइक दैट हाउ द वेव्स आर crashing towards the seashore, like that always those thought is crashing in his mind, thrashed his mind again and again. They are hitting him. How the waves hit to the seashore, like that they are hitting him, and those memories thrashed him like invisible hands. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई उसकी जो यादें हैं वो बार बार उसको हिट कर रही हैं कि उस टाइम पे what was my condition, or nobody was liking me, my friends are all enemies, they are laughing on me, they were laughing on me, they were teasing, they were laughing, and they are telling bad things to me, and they are always showing their ego, they are always kept me in the complex. Okay, like that. So he don't want to remember that thing, but when it is remembered by him, the author is telling that the boy is telling that when it comes in my mind, always I am very upset. Okay, I am in stress. But boys were not supposed to cry. अभी हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं ना, लड़का रोता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता, लड़कियां तो रोते रहती हैं लेकिन लड़के रोते हुए अच्छे नहीं लगते, बोलते हैं ना. सो इन द सोसाइटी it is famous that boys should not be cry. They were not supposed to cry. So he drank in the fear with closed his cheeks. तो वो मुंह में जब रोना आता है तो अपने मुंह में घुटक लेते हैं. They are not supposed to cry. They are not crying. But buried his face in his hands. And buried his face in his hand. मुँह छुपा के, अगर रोना भी है तो मुँह छुपा के बच्चे रोते हैं. Yes, it is a fact. He remembered her face everywhere, serene, divine and simplicity. उस टाइम पर, at that time he is remembering somebody else. Okay, he is remembering her. What do you mean by her here? Can you tell me what is the meaning of her here? Who is her here? Means her is refers here to mother. Okay, it resembles to mother. So he remembered her mother's face everywhere, and serene. Serene means calm and quiet, shant. Okay, divine means godlike. Always mother is like a god. Okay, and it's simple like a god, telling him everything was all right, no one could hurt him now. So when she come, if she will see that my son is in danger and all friends are teasing him, always she will come and she will tell that everything will be all right, you must not cry, and no one could hurt you. So like that he was remembering his mother. Okay, what happened next? See, in the picture you can see he is remembering his mother. Then what happened? She was always there behind him, mother, protector, savior. Then he thought of the shame, how the others had laughed at him, called him a fool because he did not know the answer. How could they expect him to know everything? He could not comprehend. Why must he know after all? Desperation, he wished he could destroy every one of them that mocked him, crushed his self-respect and wounded his pride. His world crumbled around him. He thought he was going to die. And then he thought of her waiting for him with open arms and an understanding smile. He felt slightly reassured and headed for home. Still hesitant, still upset, still dying, the little boy had had a bad day at school. So he was remembering of the school days, how much he was suffered all the teasings and his enemy friends. Okay, so he was thinking that always mother is behind him. If school day is not good in the school, always she help him and she always give the support to him, that always she is protector, mother is protector. हमेशा हमको हर मुसीबत से माँ बचाती है. Okay, savior, हमको save करती है, हमको बचाती है. Okay, then he thought of the shame how the mothers had laughed him. So what he is telling, that he is himself he is feeling shame because others are laughing at him, so calling him fool because he did not know the answer. Because this boy is little bit coward, he is not giving the answer to anybody, so they are feeling that he is fool, he don't know the answer, he can't give the answer. So all are laughed at him, all were laughing at him. So how could they expect him to know everything? He could not comprehend. Why must he know after all? So what they are telling, he doesn't know anything, can't give the answer. Okay, he doesn't know do the arguments and all, he can't give the answer, he is coward boy. And why he must know all the things? Desperation, he wished he could destroy every one of them that mocked him. So what they are telling, that they wanted to destroy totally, not destroy like this. Destroy means here mentally. We should do the mentally distress him and mentally destroy him, because of this stressful mind he cannot do anything with his mind, he cannot think anything, and he will not be able to think anything, he will not give any answer. Okay, that mocked him. Okay, so he was feeling very shameful to him. So crushed himself with wounded his pride, his world crumpled. जब बच्चे ऐसा करते हैं तो क्या होता है, अपने सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को बहुत धक्का लगता है. ओके, अपने स्वाभिमान को धक्का लगता है. wounded his pride, हमारा जो घमंड रहता है वो जख्मी हो जाता है. and crumpled around him, और ऐसा लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया जैसे घूम रही हो, कांप रही हो. he thought he was going to die, means he will not alive, after some time he will die. And then he thought of her waiting for him and open arms and understanding smile. When all these things comes in his mind, he is watching that his mother is always waiting for him in the open arms and understanding smile. So he felt slightly reassured and headed for home. So when he remembers his mother, he always assured that now if I'll go to home, my mother will, my life will be all right, and she will protect me, she will save me, and she will do everything for me. She will hesitate, she upset, still dying. The boy had a bad day at school, so he was very upset. He was supposed thinking of dying. He was hesitant, he was hesitating, झिझकता है, upset होता है, मरने की सोचता है. So after that, when he had remembering the school days. Okay, so this is a poem about a school of a boy who has a very bad experience in the school because their friends are very selfish. They are not friendly, they are not treating as friend to him, and they are always teasing him, they are laughing at him. So because of this all things, he was very much upset and stressful. So he was remembering his mother. Okay, so the theme of central idea of the poem is that mother is always be the savior and protector of the child, and child got the more support from his mother. Okay, thank you, bye bye.